Ready for ultimate burger experience? Today we are making an Angus beef burger with foie gras, creamy Brie, chef de truffle, and touch of gold leaf. Let's turn gourmet into legendary right here in Culinary Museum. Tomato in. Olive oil, black garlic, tomato in, tarragon, sugar, black pepper, caramelized salt, white balsamic, then burger in. Foie gras in, black pepper, salt, foie gras in, then oven Caesar foie gras. So brioche pan, olive oil. We grill the brioche pan. Here we go. Here we go. Now camembert cheese, melt on top. And now time for plate up. So first thing, brioche pan, coated with gold leaf, tomato chutney, and the Angus beef potato, caramelized onion, foie gras in, then shaved truffle. And then we just cover. So now we explain the plate is we having the brioche bun in here, and then we having Angus beef burger. We have tomato relish, caramelized onion, foie gras, truffle, and finish it with the gold leaf on top. Look at this masterpiece. The flavors are incredible. But now it's your turn. What you add to make it this burger your own? Drop your idea in the comment. I'd love to hear them.